Hello everyone, friends. Another small package like this. They valued it at $2. So, it arrived. It says delivered in 20 days. In general, there should be some basic cable here. 120 centimeters long, black, 4 and 8 pin. Apple Lightning. What is it called? Let's see now.
Посмотрим, что по итогу пришло. Ух ты.
Yes.
Пусто. Вот в такой оригинальной упаковке. Но Baseus это должен быть хороший бренд, да? Ну и, конечно, если это не подделка. Так, давайте откроем его. Блин, сил у меня нету открыть его. Так, премиум
Maker basic quick charge fast charging and data transmission. That is, data can also be.
Данные можно тоже передавать. Ну, на компьютер, я имею в виду.
Not only charged like that, but with this one, this is already like this.
С этим вот уже такой нюанс с закруткой произошел. Так. Это все ерунда. Главное, чтобы сам товар был
Was in good working order, I'll say, like the original connector.
главный. Ну, хороший, я так скажу. Как на оригинале. Разъем. Выемки, ну, замки.
There is no damage. Only it seems to me that it is somehow crooked in the plastic itself.
Стоит в самой пластмасске.
Don't you think so? That's how it is. This is also nonsense. So, the other part.
Другая часть.
Everything is done carefully.
Так, давайте померим его длину.
So that you get an idea.
Сложилось. Так,
So,
ну, я меряю
I measure the length without the connectors themselves.
только длину кабеля. Так, ну,
Well, yes, 1 meter 21 plus, or minus a centimeter. That is, the error.
то есть погрешности.
The minimum in this case is more on the side. That is, it is a little longer. Okay, let's connect it
Ну
now.
ладно, давайте его подключаем сейчас через вот такое вот устройство. Так, в Powerbank на 2 ампера. Вот.
The output in C.
И посмотрим, какой ток будет
Will give.
давать. Так,
So,
он у меня
my phone shows 66%.
показывает. Блин,
Damn.
значит, он
Well, that means it will take less load than the RAM.
нагрузка. Ну,
Well,
давайте посмотрим
let's
еще
see
раз.
if it works at all. I turn it on.
Есть.
There is a charge. It went like this, but don't look.
Нет, смотрите.
At least the amp here is giving out everything well.
Выдает. Все хорошо.
C, 095, 498. Well, this is probably the error of the power bank itself, that it does not hold 5 volts, but there is a voltage drop.
Движение есть. Так, ну
Well, I will also try to discharge the phone. Well, there to 2%, to 3, and we will see the maximum that can be passed through this cable.
максимально какой можно ток пропустить через этот кабель. Все.
Haven't said why I bought it yet. I bought it 237 rubles. I ordered it in July. I bought it.
18 июля я его покупал.
Now it costs.
Стоит 251 рубль. Ну, так как доллар сейчас сколько там, 66 что ли, рублей. Сейчас он стоит 251 рубль.
There are red, blue, and green, I think. Coffee color. Length 25 centimeters, 60, 120, 180, and 303 meter. The 3-meter one will cost 475 rubles. Well, in the future, we'll probably see how it shows itself. In the future, I'll probably buy myself some red 3-meter one. Yes, the price is the same. Well, now I'm waiting for the phone to discharge. For you, it will be instant, but for me... The phone is discharged. 7%, of course, this will not mean anything. The controller of the battery itself does not take more than 1 ampere in general for some reason. I inserted into 2. I inserted into 1. Here the charge went. I won't take the controller myself anymore, and I won't be able to take another device with Lightning, for example. Even if I don't plug it into a power bank, for example, but in such a stationary one there was power. And it shows 970 milliamps, so... How much it will cost to replace the original, I don't know exactly, so see for yourself. I'll leave the link in the description. I really liked it.
Возможно, буду покупать еще какого-нибудь другого цвета. Ну все, всем пока.